Hello student, now I start question number 10. Question number 10 this was show that A1, A2, AN from AP where AN is defined as below. Okay, so आपको AP फाइंड करनी है, AN की वैल्यू गिवन है. Also find the sum of first 15 term in each case. Okay, sum of 15 term find करना है. So first we find AP. So what we do, we put here N equal 1, 2 and 3 and so on. So we get value of A1, A2 and A3. How? So here I put N equal 1, so we get A1. So A1 what? 3 plus 4 into 1. So simply 4 plus 3 we get 7. A2. Now we put N equal 2 in this equation. We get 3 plus 4 into 2. It simply becomes 2 4 is 8 and 3. Sorry, 8 and 3 11. Okay. And now put N equal 3. We get A3 equal what? 3 plus 4 into 3. So 4 3s are 12 and 3 15. Okay. So here 11, 7, 11 and 15 are our terms. So if we check these numbers are in AP or not, so what we do, if common difference are same, then this series in AP. So we find D1. So how we find D1? A2 minus A1. So A2 is what? 11 and minus A1 is what? 7. So we get 4. Now again I check D2. It means second common difference. It is A3 minus A2. So simply 15 minus 11 we get 4. So here common difference are same. It means our AP is what? 7, 11, 15 and so on. So this is our AP. So first we find AP. Now second question is what? Find sum of first 15 term. So sum of first 15 terms of this above AP. How we find? Formula is what? Sn equal n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 and d. So here n is what? 15 terms, so n equal 15. So simply 15 upon 2 and 2 into value of a. A1 is also our a. So a is what? 7 plus n is 15 minus 1 and value of d is what? Common difference is 4. So we simplify this bracket. So 15 upon 2 it becomes 7 to the 14 plus 15 minus 1 14 and 14 4 the 56. So simply 15 upon 2 it become 0, 1, 6 and 7. So simply 2 1 the 2 and 3 5. So 15 into 35. So now we multiply this. 15 5 is 75. So 7 remaining and 15 3 is 45 and 7 52. So sum of first 15 term of this AP is 525. Similarly do sub question of second. Now question number 11 is what? If the sum of first nth term of AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? Okay, first term it means say that is S1. Okay, what is the sum of first two terms? Okay, first two terms का sum find करना है. What is the second term? Second term find करना है A2. Similarly find the third, 10th and nth term of this. Okay, so simply we do some following process to solve this question. Here given Sn is what? 4n minus n square. Okay, so first term is what? Sn is our first term. So Sn, how we find Sn? We put n equal 1 in this equation, we get Sn. So here we put a place of n equal 1, so S1 equal 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So simply 4 minus 1 it become 3. So Sn is what? 3. Now we find S2. It means we put n equal 2 in this equation, we get S2. And S2 is what? 4 into 2 minus 2 square. So 4 2s are 8 minus 4 equal 4. So S2 is what? 4. Now we find second term. How we find second term? Second term is S2 minus S1. Okay, so we put value of S2 and S1 here. So simply 4 minus 3, so we get 1. It means second term is what? 1. Now we find third term. So third term, how we find S3 minus S2? It means S3 में से S2 को माइनस करना है. So simply S3 first we calculate S3. So how we calculate S3? We put n equal 3 in this equation, we get S3. So 4 into 3 minus 3 square. So simply 12 minus 9 it's become 3. So S3 is what? 3. So 3 minus S2 is what? 1. So it simply become 2. So third term is what? 2. S3 we find and third term is what? 2. Now we find 10th term. So how we find 10th term? S10 minus S9. So first we find S10. So we put 4 into 10 minus 10 square. So simply how it's become 40 minus 100. So we get minus 60. Okay. And S9 we find, so 4 into 9 minus 9 square. So simply 36 minus 81. So simply it's become negative 11 minus 6 we get 5, and here 7 is remaining. So 7 minus 3 we get 4. So S9 is what? 45. We put here, so minus 60 minus S9 is what? Minus 45. So minus 60 minus minus plus 45. So simply it's become negative of 15. So 10th term is what? Negative of 15. Here also find nth term. So how we find nth term? Here we see how we find nth term. So we find nth term by do following process. Here nth term is what? Sn minus Sn minus 1. It means लास्ट टर्म में से उसकी जस्ट पहले वाली टर्म को माइनस करना है. सो Sn इज ऑल्सो गिवन 4n माइनस n स्क्वायर, बट Sn minus 1 is not given. So first we find Sn minus 1. It means that we put in the place of n to replace n minus 1. So simply it become 4 into n minus 1 minus n square. It means n minus 1 whole square. So we simplify it, it become 4n minus 4, and here a minus b whole square. Okay, so it's become a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 4n minus 4 minus n square minus minus plus 2n and plus minus minus 1. So simply it's become minus n square 4n plus 2n, it's become 6n, and minus 4 minus 1 it's become minus 5. So value of Sn minus 1 is minus n square plus 6n minus 5. So we put here this value. So simply it's become Sn is what? 4n minus n square, and this minus, and value of Sn minus 1 is what? Minus n square plus 6n minus 5. So we simplify. First we open this bracket, minus minus plus n square minus plus minus 6n and minus minus plus 5. So simply here minus n square plus n square cancel out, and positive 5 and minus 6n 4n it's become minus 2n. So simply what? Sn, it means nth term, say an is what? 5 minus 2n. Okay, so we find, do following process to find Sn 10th term, third term, second term and first term. Okay, thank you.